We live in a very visual world. Between our smartphones and our social media usage, people really like images. And so including an image or graphic in a piece of writing that you do can be a really good way to grab people's attention and help support your point. That's where W2g Media Support comes into play. This target starts at the one level with including media but not explaining the connection. So you find a good image or graphic that you feel good is a good fit for whatever you're writing about. You drop it into the document and call it good. But you can do a lot better than that. At the 2 level, you can include that appropriate media, but you can also explain how it connects to your claim, evidence, and/or details, whatever is most appropriate. At the 3 level, you can include it. You can logically place it, so you're actually going to put it directly next to what it connects to and explain how it connects. And at the 4 level, you can include it, you can logically place it, your explanation helps show how it enhances what you have to say. In other words, it's going to bring something new to your piece of writing. My suggested steps for you are to start with an image or graphic that you feel connects to or illustrates evidence or detail in your essay. Make sure it's a good one. You do not want clip art for this. You want a high quality picture. And of course, make sure to cite it. If you're going to take something from the internet, you've got to be able to cite it. Next, once you've got it, place the image in line with the text near the sorry, that's a bit awkward, near the appropriate text. So in line with the text, also near the appropriate text. And I would recommend wrap text square if you're using Word for best results with that to make it look good on the page. Next, you're going to want to write a brief, and I really do mean brief here, just 1 to 2 sentences, caption which connects the image to your essay directly under the image. This is where you're going to talk about what's in that image and how it connects to what you have to say in the rest of your essay. Use a caption box to make clear it's not part of the essay. It should be in a different font or different size font. Okay? And that will help people make or understand that it should not be read as a part of the paragraph itself, but rather as something to enhance it. Now, if you are looking to earn a 4 here, there's some things you want to keep in mind. 2-level media support will explain the obvious connection, what is readily observable to the reader as they look at the picture in a 1-sentence caption. Short and sweet, this is what I see. 3-level media support will explain the obvious and be placed near the evidence or detail to which it connects. But a 4-level will be near where it should be, whatever it connects to, but it will have a little mini so what. You can think of it as that, as the second sentence of the caption. So it's going to be 2 sentences for sure if you want a 4. Now, here's an example for you, working with that dulce et decorum est essay that we've seen in other lectures as well. You'll see that I've included an image to go with the first body paragraph here. In the paragraph, Owen talks about the soldiers limping on bloodshot, and so I've found an image of a line of soldiers from World War I, which would be the appropriate war even, for this particular piece. And so they're walking late, but I need to describe that. So I've got in my caption here a line of exhausted soldiers march across Flanders Field during World War I. Now that's the obvious, and it's placed near the line that it connects to, so it's a 3-level. If I want to give a 4 or get a 4, I need to give a so what. Constant danger made soldiers numb, perhaps easing fear of death. Now, this isn't something that I've talked about anywhere else in this particular paragraph. It's new information, and therefore it's enhancing the essay as it's currently written, and that would make this 4-level. Notice this is right in line with the text of the essay itself, closely placed to the text that it connects to, and it looks good as such. Notice the picture too isn't very big. It does not need to be a large picture. You can make it small. That will actually look more professional. So keep this format in mind as you're doing your own work.